You're a lovely cow, and I have a delivery for you. Some grass. You want more? Wait here.
Ozzy, we need more grass. This is perfect, Ozzy. I'll get the cows. More grass. Happy cows.
My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. You did the magic.
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed.
Piggy.
There are so many lovely animals at the farm. I like it here. But I still have more deliveries to make. What's left to deliver?
Hands up. Hands up.
Ah, yes. Food for the sheep. Come here, Martin the sheep. We have some food for you. Bananas.
Banana. Banana.
You don't eat bananas? Oh, I love bananas. Oh.
Dizzy. Dizzy.
I prefer bananas.
Hands up. Hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the parcels now.